Hi there. I am teacher Helen Padilla. I'm 46 years old and I am proudly from the Philippines. I graduated with a degree in computer secretarial, major in business administration, and I'm also a TEFL certified English teacher. I work as an event host and sales and marketing trainer, both online and on site, not only in the Philippines, but also in Nigeria and Cameroon. These experiences help me to develop strong communication skills, patience, and the ability to connect with people from all walks of life. But you know what I love most? Teaching kids. In my class, we will learn English in a fun way by storytelling, playing, and full of laughters. I believe that learning is easier when we are having fun. So, if you're ready to learn English in a fun and easier way and speak confidently, come join my class. Let's make learning an adventure together. See you.